All political party meeting of 30 political parties called by state government failed to resolve against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Nine political parties, namely CPI, CPM, RSP, Forward Bloc, AAP, NCP, BSP, JDS and Praja, alleged BJP late state government of favouring CAB 2016. Hills and Valley inhabitants resolved to fight against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. 66 CSOs called 24-hour statewide general strike from midnight of January 13th. Speaker Yumnam Khemchand flags off Manipur football team for second Indo-Myanmar friendly women football exhibition to boost ties with the neighboring country. And 5-day Kongjom Parva festival sponsored by Ministry of Culture. Government of India begins at Ashram Hall in Kongman Zone 3. Good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. All political party meeting called by the state government failed to take any definite resolution against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 today. The first phase of the meeting attended by 30 political parties including regional political parties came to at that end, and hence a subcommittee of 6 political parties was formed to continue with the second round of meeting. Majority of the political parties espoused for withdrawal of the bill and to convey a special state assembly session at the earliest to discuss on the bill. On the other hand, representatives of allied political parties of the BJP-led state government advocated for inclusion of a clause in the bill to safeguard indigenous inhabitants and to pressurize the centre to give assent to Manipur People Bill 2018. Attending the meet, General Secretary of CPI, Manipur State Council, L. Sotin Kumar asserted that the indifference of the state government to hold a special state assembly session to discuss on the contentious bill will be forever carved in the history of Manipur. He termed it very unfortunate that the government takes no interest to hold a special session so that both ruling and opposition parties can take a joint decision to pressurize the central government against the bill.
Sarkar se special session am ko yadre. Ado masi Manipur ki itihas le ho gadabani. Citizenship Amendment Bill की मतंग दा मणिपुर की असेंबली ना स्पेशल सेशन अमा भाव कौदना कई ममत खन की दे हाइबसे मसी प्रजा ने विचार तौसनोबा इतिहास ले हुसनोबा मधुगी वफम दुमदी प्रजा थमजरे अदुना कोई मधुगी तोफम तोकुमे हम दो कोई सब साना ओपोजिशन पार्टी अम ओइबगी तखाइना रोरे.
Taking part in the meeting, President of NPP Manipur State Unit Thangmilan Kipgin asserted that NPP stands firm against the contentious bill even though the party is an ally of the BJP-led state government. He said NPP delegates from the state will leave for Delhi at the earliest to pressurize the central government to withdraw the bill.
We have opposed this Citizenship Amendment Bill. Handak so I Conrad na anira Home Minister unare. I opposed to withdraw to stand. We have opposed.
State President of Regional Party NEIDP, Daukomang Kongsai affirmed that the party will continue agitating until the bill is withdrawn.
Khoi NIDP gidi khoi tang tama chumna lejare khoi withdraw to the powder khoi saruk jajaro hai.
Taking part in the meet, President of all Party Manipur State Unit S. Manauton expressed disappointment that due to varied opinions parties, no definite resolution was drawn against the bill.
Sabana hana pass to thokraba oibasida akoigi legality da kadai buki thakta masi withdraw to ya hangedagi haibagi swaida akoigi constitutional expert singi koi opinion darkar oi maram madu khudimaki feedback to puraga laknaraga mohana another sitting ama horen mi manga taruki subcommittee gi mi phamama chief minister gi secretary da phamgini adudagi dia conclusion ji lakpa ya na sato sabana hana pass to thokraba oibasida akoigi legality da kadai buki thakta masi withdraw to ya hangedagi haibagi swaida akoigi constitutional expert singi koi opinion darkar oi maram madu khudimaki feedback to puraga laknaraga mohana another sitting ama horen mi manga taruki subcommittee gi mi phamama chief minister gi secretary da phamgini adudagi dia conclusion ji lakpa ya na sato sabana hana pass to thokraba oibasida akoigi legality da kadai
Leaders of 9 political parties, namely CPI, CPM, RSP, Forward Bloc, AAP and CP, BSP, JDS and Praja asserted that statements of Chief Minister N. Biren in the all political party meeting showed that the BJP-led state government is in favor of citizenship amendment bill. Leaders of the 9 political parties held a press meet at Irabad Bhavan this evening after attending the 4 hours all-political meeting at the Chief Minister's Secretariat. The leaders said a demand for a special state assembly session and withdrawal of CAB 2016 were raised during the meeting. However, their 2 demands were blatantly denied by the government. Praja convener Irendro Lechongbam said the government instead espoused for inclusion of a special clause in the bill to prevent harm to Manipur. He asserted that the bill must be withdrawn first if a new clause is to be inserted. He also said that the Chief Minister proposed for leaders of all the political parties to head over to Delhi and pressurize the centre for the same. Irendra said leaders of the 9 political parties rejects the proposal as the Chief Minister failed to consider their demands.
Haiba point ni se lengaksina ya da bana maram moiraga lengaksina counter propose to biraisina akoi political party gi apun ba delegate ama Delhi da chalaga laws khara provision khara haiba bills da hap nana ba pressure tauksi haibane madumudi akoina ya janingde karigumba haiba bills na Manipur da soi haiba taragadi Lok Sabha dagi pass tawgraba bill ni na madu amuk semdok pa haiba si withdraw tawba ma amuk mathau tae aduna withdraw di tawroi haiba gi pot ama akoina uzai lengaksina akoigi bill se support tawbagi mami ta ba akoina uzai
BJP na lawriba Bharat Hindu gi Rashtra ma porok nimbagi wakhal basi chap chana bill se suksoi soidena pass tawna ba Lok Sabha da pass tawbadal tra even Rajya Sabha da su pass tawrakanda chana hanabagi wakhal lona se magi ngang thorukpa magi sajat wahi kya da khoi chap chana khangmangam me.
Referring to the statement of former Chief Minister and CLP leader Okrami Bobi, which said that the BJP-led state government has failed to take measures against the bill, Praja convener Irendra Lechongbam opined that even the Congress party needs to take a definite stance against the bill. He said many of the current Rajya Sabha MPs were allies of the earlier UPA government.
XM Ibobi masamak da hangjaninge Rajya Sabha da hojik majority oina leise tasengna haiga di BJP gi NDA na teba UPA na ne Congress na yam clear oiba stand ama lepiraga haiba bill jigi mayoksida against this bill akoi vote tawgani haiba adugumba lauthokiba laibibra haibsima XCM ibobida e hangjaningi maramdi Congress na bu ache pa phirep lai bata agati hai bu bill che Rajya Sabha da zum defeat to buyai adubu Congress ki yamna mayek seng ba stand adu ngasi bawda ai ujadri hai ta yam seng na haijarabada.
Meanwhile, agitation against CAB 2016 continued in Imphal Valley. Oriental Club Women Welfare Organization, Kanglai Park and Mangzil Maira Nupi Lup jointly staged a sit-in against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 at Oriental Club in Kongman, Mangzil, Sengtumai Wangma, Kongpa Road today. Volunteers of 5 student organizations, namely Masad, SSUM, RSF, AMSO and AMSUM, took out a motorbike rally demanding immediate withdrawal of Citizenship Amendment Bill today. The rally was flagged off from SSUM office in Keshampad. The rallies will hand out pamphlets raising awareness against the contentious bill at various places along the way to its final destination in Moirang. Speaking on the sidelines, SSUM President S. Yaima affirmed to intensify their agitation against the bill along with the public.
Northeast ki miyam sing sidai sida han laser miba indigenous people sing sidai sida adukimatik saitheng piba adugumba bill amani hairiba bill asi Manipur da leiriba miyam sing si CAB bill gi matang da mayak sengna khangmin na nabagi damakta akhe adugumba tanja adu lawjabani loinana CAB bill si makhata na sathana naba sanana naba honarak labagadi akhe heda kanba khongjang changsin na bagi damakta student body sing amadi leiriba praja miyam singa loinana khusam naraga makha taba hena kanba khongjang changsin na bagi damak sem sabaloi Northeast ki miyam sing sidai sida han laser miba indigenous people sing sidai sida adukimatik saitheng piba adugumba bill amani hairiba bill asi
United Clubs Organization UCO Lakhipur and All Assam Manipuri Students Union AMSU Lakhipur District Committee also organized a mass rally against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 in Kasar today. Volunteers of All Assam, Coach Raj Bongsi Students Union Akshu, Mar Students Association Union HSAU, All Dimasa Students Union EDSU, Assam Indigenous People Protection Committee AIPPC, Manipuri Youth Front Association MIFA, Ichal, Assam Manipuri Mairapai Biapunba Lup Ampal and Athobaning Singh Lup ANL Lakhipur took part in the rally. "66 civil society organizations from both hills and valley regions of the state resolved to fight against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. The CSOs have also called for a 24-hour statewide general strike from the midnight of January 30th, condemning the bill. UCM Amuko Harikon, CCSK and Lipul convened an emergency leaders meet on CAB 2016 at Hotel Imphal North AOC today. Attendees of the meet resolved to carry out intense agitations, including general strikes against the contentious bill. Speaking to media, UCM President Sunil Karam stated that a committee named Manipur People Against CAB 2016 was formed to fight against the bill.
Manipur Peoples Against CAB Citizen Amendment Bill 2016
as a mark of warning bell to both the state and central government and all the members of Rajya Sabha, Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 declare general strike on 31st January 2019.
Assam the lady was Jeleng Rong, Nagaland the lady was Jeleng Rong, Manipur the Jeleng Rong lady but Makaisi were ready to support as well as ready to take any kind of action.
Meghalaya Minister Singsimatu Tambioba, the Mizoramgi, Shim Zoram Tangagi, Matu Tambio have.
Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR organized a state-level consultation program on regulatory guidelines for hostels of educational institutions for children in Manipur at the conference hall of All Secretariat today. DCs, judges, representatives of Child Welfare Committee, departments and organizations from various districts attended the program. Stakeholders expressed their opinion on implementation of regulatory guidelines for hostels of educational institutions for children drafted by National Commission for Protection of Child Rights NCPCR in the state. They also discussed on necessary rectification of the draft in the context of Manipur. MCPCR member K. Pradeep Kumar was the moderator of the program. Attendees in the meet resolved to ensure rights under POCSO Act, Right to Education and Juvenile Justice Act to every child as per NCPCR guidelines. NCPCR chairperson Sumati Balaning Thaujam invited suggestions on rectification of MCPCR within 15 days.
Guideline asida piriba khoi rules kuding makse Manipur gi context ta khitang haidi madu chana hanba matamda khitang haidi problem face to mayam ama aikoi gi stakeholders sing sinasu magi opinion thambirak badagi aikoina masigi guideline asi stakeholders sing gi mot to numitara mangani gi manungda soidana bibiu numitara mangani gi manung sida amuk pirak daga dia khoi chon thajaba ngamaro guideline asida.
Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah and Children of Children Home in Dulaland had a meet and greet session at Raj Bhavan today. The Governor and Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen presented gifts to the children on the occasion. Renowned artists Joseph and Rangilal put up a show in the event.
Well, I'm very happy to meet these children. I wanted to do something for these because let them come out of the house. I generally invite children to Raj Bhavan to come and play and see the garden and all that. And this time I thought that I'll call these children from the home so they can enjoy. And I'm happy that we had this little program so they laughed with us. And we want to give some happiness to them. That's my desire.
Manipur football team left Imphal to participate in the second Indo-Myanmar friendly women football exhibition match at Mandalay and Saigyang region of Myanmar. Speaker Yumnam Khemchand flagged off the team led by convener of Act East Policy Committee Manipur R.K. Sivchandra, including one football coach and two managers from Kangla Western Gate this morning. Speaking to media, Y. Khemchand stated that the football match aims to enhance ties between the two neighboring countries in various sectors, including sports in the wake of the upcoming Southeast Asians Trans Highway under the Act East policy. Speaking on the occasion, R.K. Sivchandra stated that the first match will be held at Mandalay on January 31st. He also said that the second football team of Manipur will reach Saigang on the same day to play the second match at Saigang on February 3rd. Sivchandra also said that Speaker Y. Khemchand will be witnessing both the matches and that the Speaker will have a meet and greet session with Chief Ministers of Mandalay and Saigyang during his visit.
Football lewa kutimuna pami ana football gi through da sanaba gi through da masi nuksina ba khongjanga mani haina logjara kanda si sanaba saliba players mangolona halaksano haina message jari
ngasiga thana satkadawriba si akoi anirak subani reciprocal loina mandle dagi lakpa sida sanaba dagi sigi team sina asomda chala sanaba si siumba football sanaba sina akoi laibak ani sigi manungda se people to people contact haibatai Praja Singi Marakta Hen Nusiba Amapurkani have say asit Pataja. I could sue India government, the Manipur government, mit na sing Lagadosi. I could give borders from the Hena developed on Navasi, I could honor Matamoire in hygiene.
Corporator of Imphal Municipal Corporation, Ward Number 3, Hizam Nutan-Chandra refuted the allegation which appeared on local media on January 25th that IMC corporators collected 30,000 rupees each from 328 women vendors of Khairamban Ima market for issuing vendor cards as baseless. A press meet in this regard was organized by corporators of IMC Ward number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 21, 26, 27 and Bazaar Committee at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking in the meet, Nutan Chandra asserted that corporators never took money from vendors and they have never issued cards. He urged the Chief Minister and the Mahut Minister to give befitted punishment if the corporators and officials are ever found indulging in such deceitful activities. He also appealed to women vendors to be always on alert against fraudsters.
Honorable Minister, amadi Mahut Minister ke ko ming sing jari haibadi general mi sing do matik chaba amuna tawdara ba mokhoida dandi pibiu ima sing sunga sidagi mi nakong sing bi haibo pham se ko thamjari ba adu ga loina na sarkar da ko humble appeal lamdang tawjabadi handak appointment gi matang da Mahut department advertise tawduna akoi post vacancy mayam amagi advertise tawribadu madu tawribadu yam phai han dagi hauna hang da khoi gi post vacancy gi awaba le rambadu Madu Equi Infant Municipal Corporation Act 1994 so Equi Hapsabagi Equi Act Section 45 the Koyaw Jarina. Equina Equi Sarkar Memorandum Pija Equina Equina Equi Sapsaba Equi fundamental right Equi Corporation gi Sapsaba Equi Act law sing to PBU Section 9 Panasuna PBU Hina Lang Talaxida Equibu Yahundana Equi Biolitaloga Tabak Lawata Equi Sukitan Tanabagi PBU I will from see Equi Honorable Minister Mahut Minister Equina Humble Apilam Equina Tawzari.
And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on women folks of Nauria Pakang Lakpa constituency urging government to repair the road from Kwakathil Akam Laikai to Kwakathil Haino Kongnembi. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Prime Time English News. Women folks of Nauria Pakang Lakpa constituency blocked the road from Kwakathil Akam Laikai to Kwakathil Haino Kongnembi against non-maintenance of the road today. Blocking of the road was carried out into different areas of Kwakathil Akam Laikai and at Kwakathil Haino Kongnembi. The women protesters expressed discontentment that repair of the 2-kilometer stretch of road initiated by the local MLA ceased abruptly without completion. Highlighting the plights brought on by the deplorable condition of the road, the women residents appealed to the local MLA to repair the road without further delay. They also want of continuing their agitation until the road is blacktopped.
Sigi Nauria Kendra gi Kwakathil na changa palambi si oi iskunju mayam lai si no magi lepta na mi si mayam chali aduna sigi uphunna soroksi kolas thani na MLA gi site gi soroksi loin takharam baga lengang charam baga ngasi pho kuire thamu pharamani ko November thadine adune ba aduna adu uphana khoi maya da leba khoi amata lengam dere mi na na re khoi lambi si phajana semdri phawadi Kwakathil dagi na changpagi sigi akham lasam lekai Haino Kongnembi si loina ba khoi lambi si thingani ane lepchare.
Nurses Association TNAI Janims resolved to carry out intense agitation until their demands are met. The association states are set in today pressing various demands including rectification of grade pay, nursing uniform and high-risk allowances, etc. Staff nurse L. Sanjarani said that the Nurses Association TNAI Janims unit started a black badge protest on January 23rd for their demands. She said the protest will continue till January 30th and mass casual leave will start from the 31st till the 1st of February. She further warned of multiple protests until the demands are met.
Kogi pay anomaly leba sije semtok piu haibasima doctor gaina non practitioner allowance phangis maina kogi su nursing allowance kogi amna darkar leba poni si koi PBU haibasini uniform allowance nursing allowance high risk allowance adagi akoi men noina koi pension gi kano se sima koi huji isi me ama retire tokre तौग्री मैम से हुजिक जेनिम्स की अथॉरिटी ना सिकी फंगनिंगाय लेते हाइना खोई कैम पिबिद्रे हाना मसागी पेंशन की फैसिलिटी लेरम मैम हम लोई कथत पीग्रे अदुना हुजिक इचे जिंजे पेंशन फंग मतुंग याम थीना वाबा मा चानिंगाय थनगाय लेतने याम वाबा मा ओइरे जेनिम्स एनपीएस नत्रगा पेंशन सी कंटिन्यूस थुना ककपा होबियु एसीपी एमएससीपी हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट दा होग्रे कोई जेनिम्स की ओइना सी सनद्री हाइदुना ऑफिशियल ओइबा मैम मा तौरगा खोई दा लेथोकपिरा थंबा सीजे नुगाइजदे कोई नर्स मैम जे खोइना तमजरिबा एजुकेशन सिगी मतुंग इन क्वालिफिकेशन पे पिबियु
All Yairipok Truck Owner Association AYTOA organized a public meeting to discuss on the rising population of Taubal River yesterday. The association insisted that pollution of the river is not caused by trucks carrying sand and stones and hence imposing ban on the trucks will not curb pollution of the river. The public meeting stressed on the need to find out the real cause of the river pollution. Attendees of the meeting held at Zalianbi ground of Yairipok Malum in Andhra constituency also drew the attention of the relevant authority to resolve the ongoing crisis between Taubal River Conservation Committee and sand quarriers. Five-day Kongjom Parba festival organized by Integrated Cultural Association kicked off at Ashram Hall in Kongjom, Zone 3 today. The festival is being sponsored by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Speaking on the occasion, program coordinator N. Medhapati stated that the festival was held with an aim to preserve Kongjom Parva, which is on the verge of extinction, and to glorify the art form of the state. Speaking on the occasion, member of Uchekon Nongchub Zilla Parishad, Seram Tikin, lamented that Kongjom Parva, which is unique, an art form of Manipur, is less popular among the present generations. He added, extinction of the art form will be a huge loss. He stressed the need to conserve Kongjom Parva.
Manipur Imale Baki the Manta Tawai Takiba, Tawaina Ponta, Kongjom Landa, Adugumba, say Adubumasi Equina, Prizap Naba Yok, Naba Hoknarapada, the Angama Toshin Yuari, Essential Mut Kidra Haina, Nabagita Manta, Program as Shinjagi Haina, in the Gomenda Ministry, the Hajarubada, Yabira Tanangasi, Program as Shinjari Bani.
Kongjom Parva Hajabani, Kongjom Parva, Kongjom War, Katanative says, Saisatuki Mamina Kongjom Parva, Kojarasu, Atopa Itiaski Tanka Mayama, she says section saga. Message piri aduna mase mayamda tungkoina itihas takpi beyaba literature takpi beyaba Manipur ge identity takpi beyaba adugumba art form amani
40-day winter vacation camp organized with an aim to make students proficient in creative arts and Maite Maye concluded yesterday. An exhibition on the arts created by student participants of the camp was held today. Students of class nursery to 6 took part in the camp organized under the supervision of creative arts instructor of Fire View Art Center, Governor Road, R.K. Bikomsana, and founder of the center, Namairakpam Dima. Bikomsana told media that the camp was held with an aim to bring out hidden talents and to thwart mobile phone culture among students.
Mamangi previous 40 days da koina December amasung January that's akoi angangai gi oina camp ama 40 days ki tawsida moina maite me amasung koi creative art habs gi matang da moida chorak pama basic knowledge khara pizaraga moina tawjabo work mem do adu display tawjabani aduga koi pandam ji angang sing da creativity innovative laina bagi da makta koina thamjaba pandam ninga masa da creativity habji Masana own originality haidare original oiba pot ama thamnabi damakta pandam da koina spina koina 40 days ki camps mine sinjara koina minini yoina exhibitions mine sinjara.
The combined annual training camp organized by Air Squadron and CC Imphal since January 20th concluded at the conference hall of Imphal Air Squadron and CC in DM College campus today. Officials of various forces, including NCC, enlightened on building of leadership skills among NCC cadets on the occasion. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol CADA opened its new unit at Hizam Kuno in Thoubal district to strengthen its ongoing fight against intoxicants abuse in the state. Executive committee of the unit was also formed on the occasion. CADA President in charge Hizam Priyokumar graced the event held on January 26 as the chief guest. And now to sports news. 8th Harauro Trophy organized by YMC Harauro since January 13th concluded today. 20 teams participated in a trophy where CHYUC Chalo beat YMC Harauro 3-2 in the final match played today. Before we conclude the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. All political party meeting of 30 political parties called by state government failed to resolve against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Nine political parties, namely CPI, CPM, RSP, Forward Bloc, AAP, NCP, BSP, JDS and Praja alleged BJP-led state government of favouring CAP 2016. Hills and Valley inhabitants resolved to fight against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. 66 CSOs called 24-hour statewide general strike from midnight of January 30th. Speaker Yumnam Kheemchan flags off Manipur football team for second Indo-Myanmar friendly women football exhibition to boost ties with the neighboring country. And 5-day Khongjom Parva festival sponsored by Ministry of Culture, Government of India begins at Ashram Hall in Khongman Zone 3.